Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failure on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve failure on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of CapCut. Here you can click for stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.